From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is the news blast for this hour. LGBTQ Nation is reporting that in the wake of its devastating anti-trans ruling last month in U.S. v. Skrmetti, the U.S. Supreme Court has thrown out pro-trans decisions in 4 states. On Monday, June 30th, the justices ordered appellate court judges in San Francisco, Denver, and Richmond, Virginia, to reconsider previous rulings that found that state laws and policies in Idaho, North Carolina, Oklahoma, and West Virginia violated trans people's right to equal protection under the 14th Amendment, according to the Associated Press. The move follows the court's 6-3 decision in Skrmetti, which found that a Tennessee law banning gender-affirming care for minors experiencing gender dysphoria does not violate the Constitution's Equal Protection Clause by discriminating on the basis of sex or transgender status, as plaintiffs in the case argued. The ruling allows 25 states to enforce similar bans and serves as precedent in other cases involving transgender people's rights under the 14th Amendment. In the Virginia case, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit will have to review its 2024 ruling that North Carolina and West Virginia discriminated against transgender people on the basis of gender identity and sex, banning coverage for gender-affirming care under North Carolina's state health plan and West Virginia's Medicaid program. Similarly, the Supreme Court ordered the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco to reconsider its ruling that Idaho's ban on coverage for specific gender-affirming surgeries for low-income trans people on its Medicaid program violated the Equal Protection Clause. And in Denver, the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals must now revisit its June 2024 ruling in Fowler v. Stitt that Oklahoma's ban on trans people updating their birth certificates to reflect their gender identity also violated the Equal Protection Clause. The Supreme Court also rejected an appeal challenging a Kentucky law banning gender-affirming care for minors, according to the Associated Press. However, the justices have not yet acted on pending appeals challenging state laws in Arizona, Idaho, and West Virginia banning transgender women and girls from participating in women's and girls' sports at public schools, though, as the Associated Press notes, SCOTUS could indicate whether it will take up those cases at a later date. That's the news blast for this hour. A quick programming note, we will not be running any news at all on Friday, July 4th from midnight to 11:59 p.m. Download the Live 365 app to take PEP Radio with you wherever you go. Up next, we have the Meadville area weather forecast here on PEP Radio.